we go. Now we have the cable gym.
Hello and welcome. I am Coach Castle, a certified biomechanics expert, nutritionalist, and efficiency coach. Subscribe to this channel to learn the most efficient ways to maximize your muscle growth and recovery, enhance your body, and advance your mind, all using the latest science. Welcome to Castle's Corner.
Hello and welcome to Castle's Corner. I am Coach Castle with a much requested video today. I've made videos like it and similar to it, but today I'll be doing a thorough, in-depth explanation as to how to make the perfect home gym for free if you have these materials, and if not for free, then for very cheap, or at the most 40 bucks. This is all stuff you can order on Amazon, go to Home Depot, a thrift store, or just finding around your house. It is a very effective gym because it's a cable gym. You can put different points at different locations, and you can target all of the muscles on your body perfectly. Yes, every single muscle on your body can be targeted perfectly with the utmost efficiency. If you're not sure what I mean by that statement, please check out my other videos. But for now, let's get into building the gym and what you'll actually need to make this happen. It's not much. So, to start with, if you come over here, to start with, what I have is this chin-up bar that I found at a thrift store. It cost me $5, but you can find these over-the-door chin-up bars, the Bowflex chin-up bars, the hook on the doorway. There's all kinds of different varieties. You can find them anywhere. Garage sales, thrift stores, Amazon, Walmart. Grab one. They're very cheap. The next thing you're going to need is 2 gym handles of some kind. It doesn't really matter. You can also make these. They're not hard to do. The next thing that you'll need is some cables. Doesn't have to be cables. You can also use nylon rope. You can use cord. You can use a lot of different things. The point is just something along these lines. You can also order these on Amazon. You'll need a few different links to be connecting things. You're going to need 2 Velcro straps. You can actually use wrist or ankle straps that you would buy for a cable machine. You can go to Lowe's or Home Depot or Amazon and order these as well. They're cheap, like $5-6 on Amazon or Lowe's or Home Depot. And the last thing you're going to need is 2 pulleys. The only important thing about the pulleys is that they're wide enough to handle whatever rope that you'll be using. And also make sure that it's not a fixed pulley. It needs to be able to swivel so you can control the different angles you'll be doing with these exercises. The final components that you're going to need, they're just right over here. 2 buckets of some form. Doesn't really matter if you don't want to use buckets. You can use jugs. You can use paint pails. You can use cinder blocks or bricks. In this case, I'll be using buckets and sand. But again, you can use rocks. You can use water. You can use anything. The body does not know the difference. Weight is weight. If I'm holding a 5-pound dumbbell, or I'm holding a 5-pound kettlebell, a 5-pound bucket of sand, a 5-pound gallon of water, it doesn't matter. Weight is weight. Body does not know the difference. Another reason this gym works so well will be maximally using the levers in your body, targeting them efficiently with efficient angles. So anyways, the final thing you'll need is a doorway. So let's check this one out. Pretty easy. Open the old door. The next step is you get your chin-up bar. You're just gonna, for some of you, just hook it on top of the door. For me, I'm gonna have to screw it tight and make sure it's level. Another good thing about this gym, guys, is you don't have to leave it up permanently. It takes up no space in your house. Okay, I believe that's almost good. quite level, but it's good enough for now. All right, the next thing you guys are gonna need is you're gonna need your weights. So let me just show you how we're gonna handle weight. And just a reminder, sand, water, rocks, dumbbells, it doesn't make a difference, guys. In this case, I'm using a quart cup, because a quart, this goes back to when I was a chef. A quart is 2 pints, and a pint is a pound the world around. So just for quick measurement, it's not entirely accurate, but for quick measurement, you can get a quart or a pint cup. If you're using a quart like this, it's gonna be about 2 pounds. So what I'm gonna do is scoop that in there 5 times to give me 10 pounds. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one. And then I have, for all intents and purposes, 2 10-pound weights. Now I know some of you might be saying, oh, 10 pounds, you know, that's not that much. Well, if you understand biomechanics, then you know how to magnify that 10 pounds and get a lot of load out of it and actually get a lot of work done. So, and obviously these buckets hold a lot more than 10 pounds. And again, you can use anything, any form of weight or cinder block. Now just to double check, I just have a little measuring device here. You can use this for luggage and such. And I'm gonna hook it on the bucket. See where we're at here. That one's 11.6 pounds. I don't know if you guys can see that. And let's check the other one, see where we're at here. Oop, 12.3. So I'm just gonna do a little magic here. And I think we'll be even now. So, now we have our weight. Let's put it over here under the doorway. Boom. The next thing we're gonna need to do, hook up our straps. So I'm gonna come over here. Tighten those straps on there nice and tight like so. Just above the buckets, as you can see. Excellent. And you take your 2 swivel pulleys. Gonna hook those up there. It almost seems silly at this point to continue, but you guys already figured it out. Let me finish the video. You're gonna take these guys, run them through the pulleys, oopsie, and then taking the links here, wrapping it around, and connect it. You have one attachment. Same thing here, second cable. Alright, then all we have to do is attach our handles. There we go. Now we have a cable jib. Now, in just a minute, I'll be getting into how to actually use it, which exercises you can perform, and so on and so forth. So